If you use Google Meet or other video conferencing apps, there's a high chance that you will need to present or show your screen during the meeting, either to run through some numbers on Excel or to show presentations using PowerPoint slides. Also, there's a high chance that you will be playing some videos from your computer or desktop when you're doing your presentations. However, we all know that on Google Meet, the sharing screen option comes with a huge limitation. What is it? It only allows you to play audio only from your Google Chrome tab and not from your window or entire screen, which also means that you can't play videos from your computer with audio. That's kind of sucky, right? In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Meet to play videos from your computer video files with audio. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. When we're using Google Meet, we can share our screen using the Present Now button on the bottom row. We have the three options to share from: Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. However, to share audio, you can't do it on the window or entire screen option. You can only share audio from Chrome tab, which effectively means you can only share media or content which are online. So what if you want to share videos with audio which are on your computer? That means it is local. The trick or workaround here is to use Chrome tab to access your computer. So how do you do that? On your Chrome tab, click on the address bar and type in file, and // So what this does is it allows Chrome to access your computer. So it doesn't matter if you are using a Mac or Windows PC because the index should be pretty familiar to you. For Mac users, if you want to access your files, say on your desktop or other folders, click on Users, the name of your user account. So for me, it's Steph Lee, and I can see the parent directory. Here I have my desktop, documents, downloads, folders, etc. If you are using a Windows PC, you have to add in the drive that you want to access, which could be C or D drive. So on your address bar, key in file, // C:// and then enter. If your files are on D drive, you just have to replace the C with D. So let's say I have my video files that I want to share residing in my downloads folder. Then I search for that video file I want to play, and you can see it is playing on my Chrome tab. So what happens now back on Google Meet when you click on the Present Now option, under Chrome tab, you have a tab called Index of so-and-so, which is basically the tab that is accessing your computer. As we all remember, you can only play audio from your Chrome tab. So since your file, which is on your computer, is now on a Chrome tab, you will be able to play audio from this file as per normal. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If I helped you in any way, and if you have any comments, do leave them below. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye-bye.